Sometimes life gets really hard. Right now, I'm trying to build my brand completely from scratch. No support, no backup, no client, and no income. Yet I have a full responsibility to pay rent, feed my family, and cover school fees. Honestly, it's tough.
We've come so far, now the day is here.
If you are new here, my name is Cyprien, a filmmaker and content creator based in Rwanda. Today's video is a bit different from what I usually make. It's more personal. I just want to share where I'm in life right now. It's not offense, but it's real. Maybe you've been through something similar, when life feels heavy and you are just trying to figure things out. I would love to hear from you in the comments. What helped you get through your hardest moment?
We'll answer true with hearts so bold and dreams that flew.
For years, I worked for other people's companies, living from salary to salary. But even when you work hard, the pay often isn't enough to cover everything. Sometimes you give your best, but you are still underpaid or not valued. If you keep working like that, you reach a point where you realize you are getting older but haven't built anything for yourself. And when the thought of quitting comes, it's scary. You think, if I quit, how will my family survive? That fear keeps you stuck. Some business owners pay little on purpose because they know if employees earn enough, they will save, grow, and eventually leave. And that keeps people trapped. That's what happened to me. My job ended unexpectedly and I hadn't saved enough. Suddenly, I had to start from zero. No clients, no portfolio, just responsibility and dream. So I started offering free projects from small businesses just to build my portfolio. Some said yes, others refused, but I kept going. The hardest part is balancing everything. Doing free work while still needing to pay bills, buy food, and take care of my family. But life doesn't stop. I'm not sharing this to get sympathy. I'm sharing it because maybe someone out there is in the same situation. Maybe you've been there. If you have any advice or if you've been through this, please share it with me in the comments. Your thought might help someone else too. Thank you so much for watching and for your time. Please do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel. It really helps me keep going. Thank you so much. Peace.